How to lose weight in a healthy manner. You need to consider each of these components. Keep in mind, calories count, portions count, nutrition counts. Even a small amount of weight loss can lead to big health benefits. Strive to develop good habits to last a lifetime. Discuss weight loss with your doctor before getting started. Check your body mass index, BMI, an indicator of body fat, and see where it fits within the BMI categories. Discuss weight loss with your doctor and decide on a goal. If you have a lot of weight to lose, set a realistic intermediate goal, maybe to lose 10 pounds. Remember that even a small amount of weight loss can lead to big health benefits. Estimate your calorie needs. Search Google for the term calorie calculator. You can determine the number of calories needed each day to maintain your current weight. To lose about 1 pound per week, subtract 500 calories each day from the daily amount. To lose about 2 pounds per week, subtract 1,000 calories daily. Score your current food intake and physical activity level. Taking a good look at your current habits will help you determine what changes you might make as well as what you are doing right. How do I know which weight loss plan is right for me? Keep in mind that you want to develop lifestyle habits that will help you maintain your weight in a healthy range. A short-term diet that you go on and then go off is not the answer to long-term weight management. In choosing how to go about losing weight, keep in mind key habits of people who have lost weight and kept it off. These people are called successful losers by the weight control experts who have studied them. Key behaviors of successful losers: getting regular physical activity, reducing calorie and fat intake, eating regular meals, including breakfast, weighing themselves regularly, not letting small slips turn into large weight regain, staying on track with your goals. Setting realistic goals and tracking your progress are key to your success. In fact, research has shown that those who keep track of their behaviors are more likely to take off weight and keep it off. A reasonable rate of weight loss is 1 to 2 pounds per week.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video,